Welcome. David here on episode 4 out of 122. Okay, smart money, introduction to blockchain and cryptocurrency. So let's get started. Welcome, everybody. And yesterday I did episode 3. Let's just go and have a quick recap. I'm just going to share my screen quickly, and then we can go do a quick recap what we did yesterday. We yesterday was, as I said, episode 3. And what did we cover yesterday? We covered a few things. Let me just get rid of this box here. Is it going to go away? Yeah, it should. There we go. So what did we cover? So what is the Smart Money Challenge? Let's have a look. Smart Money Challenge is educational series designed for anyone curious about achieving financial independence through digital assets. Every episode lays out series secrets behind blockchain, crypto fundamentals, and wealth strategies. So what we're going to do is we're going to go and have a look again at CoinMarketCap, right? And then what we can do is we can do a couple of examples and what I'm following at the moment. Okay, so let's go to CoinMarketCap. Why do I like CoinMarketCap so much? Because this is where everything happens, right? So here you've got the top 10 tokens. So you can see Bitcoin. Well, not top 10, right? I think these are like top 8,000 on there. Yeah. So you can always look at the top 10 as I've done in my previous episodes. I'll just do a quick recap so you know how to do it for new people who have just hopped on this channel. This is so powerful, right? CoinMarketCap.com. Because here at the bottom, you can see how many cryptos in circulation, 20 million, just to give you how vast it is. A lot of them are rubbish, correct? And exchanges is 8 at the bottom left there. You can see 846 where you can buy crypto. I'm based in the UK. You can buy crypto various places like Coinbase, Nexo, Revolut. And ask ChatGPT, right? You can say, hello, ChatGPT. Can you tell me where I can buy crypto in the United Kingdom or whatever country you are? And it'll give you the best exchanges you can register. So let's go and have a look at Bitcoin because that's number one at the moment. It's sitting at 112,000 per coin. And you can click on it. And this is absolutely amazing. Okay, for new people, brand new, or just looking at crypto, this is quite easy to understand. It's just a chart. You can do 1 year chart. This is the price. As you can see, it's fluctuated quite a lot. In 1 year, it's already doubled in value. Obviously, it does fluctuate. Okay. And you can do an all-time chart, right? So what happened if you bought Bitcoin 10 years ago? Just as an example, right? So here on the graph, you can go back 10 years. So that's 2017, 2000. There we go, 2015. So one Bitcoin 10 years ago was $403. Okay. And also what I want to tell you something which is super powerful, which is called average dollar purchasing. Now that is super, super powerful. I think I actually did it on ChatGPT. Yes. It's called dollar cost averaging. Okay. Now, this is so powerful, but it does take discipline, right? So dollar cost averaging is an investment strategy where you regularly invest a fixed amount of money into assets like stocks, crypto, ETFs at set intervals, for example, weekly, monthly, regardless of the asset price. Okay. Now, this is important. Long term, you buy consistently over a long term, 3 to 4, 5 years. Okay. So even if it does dip and go up, it averages it out over the long period, right? So it doesn't matter with the volatility. Imagine how cool it would have been if you average cost purchased Bitcoin, right? From 10 years ago or 5 years ago. Ask ChatGPT to show you the numbers. You'll fall off your chair. I can tell you that. So start a portfolio. If you're not part of crypto yet, I'm in the UK. Revolut is a regulated bank in the UK. You can purchase crypto through Revolut and buy a little bit of Bitcoin. Buy $10 a month, £10 a month. whatever you can afford. Just get started and average cost purchase. Let's go and have a look at a few other coins as well. So we can look at Ethereum. You can have a look at the graph again. Imagine if your average cost purchased into Ethereum, and look how much percentage has actually gone up since it started, right? I mean, it's like 158,000%. Okay. So it's long term, right? Obviously there's risks involved in buying cryptocurrency, but if you do 3 to 5 years, average cost purchase, start a portfolio. Yeah, you can look at your research. Yeah, you can go back. Well, you can go back down to 2017 and go all the way when it was hardly nothing, $11. That was 2016. And then obviously you can see the volatility, and that's where you can see the average dollar cost purchasing is very powerful, right? Have a play around, have a look at all these coins. Tether is a stable coin. It stays at $1. So if you wanted to send somebody money that didn't want to fluctuate, if you wanted to just send them $1,000, then you can send Tether because it doesn't fluctuate. It just stays at $1. So if you send them $1, they get $1. If you send them $1,000, they get $1,000, right? You can have a look at BNB, top 10. Have a look at the top 10 and create a portfolio. Yeah, you can have a look as well. Look at this, 2020. What was it? $13. That's 860. Dollar cost averaging. Super, super powerful. Okay, cool. Now I'm going to show you the hot project that I'm following at the moment. Get yourself a bag of these coins. It's called a Pertum, sitting at $1.56 at the moment. You can change the chart. It's got a bit of volatility, which is great. It's ranked 404 amongst all the cryptocurrencies out there, which is super impressive. And it's got a fixed supply of 21.1 billion fixed supply, right? Which means when all the coins are gone, that's it. It's a fixed supply, not like money, fiat money, pounds, dollars that just prints. This is a fixed supply and demand. So what happens if there's more people, right, who are buying the Pertum token? It's supply and demand. It gets scarce, therefore the price will go up. Same as Bitcoin. More people getting introduced to Bitcoin. Now it's a reserve currency in America. More people are getting familiar. More people are buying it. The price is going up. Supply and demand. So I'm very bullish on the Pertum token. You could scroll down. You could get some more information. It's trading on 4 different exchanges at the moment. And there's some news you could read up. And yeah, have a read. Pertum supports ultra fast transactions, 0.15 to 1.5 seconds time to finality, and processes over 4,500 TPS, outperforming Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNP, Tron, and others. Absolutely amazing. Launched only in January the 30th, 2025. 9 months old. Okay, so I'm basically not giving financial advice, but I suggest, why don't you put some Pertum in your portfolio? Right. And how do you do that? I'm going to show you next. So easy, easy, easy. What you want to do is in my description, in my video, okay, give you an example. I have got a little link here where it says get started. Okay. And it'll either say bonus for viewers or get started, and you can click on it. And yeah, it's going to give you a bit more information about a Pertum, and you can watch my little video there, the 7-minute video. It'll give you some cool information. We can just have a quick look at it right now. And you can play the video. And what's it about? In the next few minutes, you'll witness a powerful shift, rewriting the rules of wealth, not just for you, but for your family and for generations to come. Super, super cool. Plus, you can click on the link to invite to watch a live Zoom call to learn more. So first step, watch the video. Second step is you can actually create an account with the project, which is called DAO One, and super easy. You can just come to link up and click join your first crypto project, and then just follow the instructions here. You can read. We are in different publications where you can read our news, and then all you would do is click to become a member. For those who are very technical savvy and understand computers really well, I'd go for the self-custodial wallet. For those aren't very good on technical, then you could do a password and email. But I would prefer if you do the self-custodial wallet, because then you're in charge of your own funds with MetaMask. You are in charge of your own funds. Okay. And it's super easy. You just click there, confirm. It's going to take you to a registration page. Step one is download MetaMask, register, complete your KYC. Super, super easy. And then you've got an account. And then I can show you next how you can get some of these Ethereum coins, right? Super, super exciting. So there we go. And then I've also got a little tutorial on how to buy crypto. If you're in the UK, I've got a little ebook you can have a look at, how to your first 2K in crypto. You can look at my YouTube channel, right? Because these videos are uploaded to my YouTube channel. And I'm doing a little seminar in the UK that you can have a look at as well. Fantastic. So let us go back to coin market cap. So what I'm going to show you now is something super, super powerful. Let's go and have a look. So when you've got an account with Ethereum, you'll have something like this. You'll be able to log in, and then you can go into something called apps, and you can go into something called a DEX. And this is a decentralized exchange. And this is where I want to show you how powerful a liquidity pool is. So liquidity pool is where people can put in money and they earn fees on when a person is bought and sold. Unbelievable. It's like putting money in a bank, but you're putting it in a liquidity pool in cryptocurrency, right? And check this out. Today is the 3rd of August. No, man, 3rd of September, 3rd of August, 3rd of September. Now check this out, right? I'm going to go tokens. You can come here as well, dex.apertum.io, and you can click on the wrapped Apertum, okay, token. This is the one I was showing you. Yeah, Apertum coin, I should say. And now check this out. Look at the fees if you put money into the liquidity pool per annum. 29%. Okay. I'm sure you would like some of that, right? So if you put some money into this liquidity pool, you'll get obviously over the year. It does fluctuate. I have seen it as low as 10%, but I've seen it as high as 70%. So you want to get some money in here, right? How do you do that? As I mentioned, have a look in my description, watch the 7-minute video, and then register for the crypto project. And then you'll have an account and you can go to DEX and then you can actually put some money into the liquidity pool. I'll have lots of tutorial videos as well on my YouTube channel. You can watch. Okay. So how cool is that? So let's do a quick example. So I am going to add some to the liquidity pool right now. So I'm going to go pools. I'm going to go manage. I'm going to go add. So I'm adding to the liquidity pool. I'm going to do 2. I'm gonna have to just switch my video off because I've got a little security device. I'm gonna click supply. I just want to take a screenshot of this as well. It's like buying a cappuccino a day. We call it a cappuccino a day. I do this every day, just a little bit, right? To a Apertum, and you do have to do a pair with wrapped USDT as well. But don't worry about the technicalities. I can help you with that at a later stage. Okay, so just going to click supply, confirm supply. And for some reason, it doesn't want to do it. Let's try again. I'm going to go back into pools. I'm going to go add liquidity. I'm going to do 2, select. It is always wrapped that you select. There we go, wrapped. And then supply, confirm supply, and confirm. For some reason, I think my wallet is not working. Give me 1 sec. This is fine. I'll fix it quickly. So what I'll do is I'm going to just double check that I'm in the right account. Yes, I am. So I'm just going to close the DEX and then I'm going to do it again quickly. Give me 1 sec. That's why, because it's timed out. Yes. So let's go back here. Just log in. Because I'm connected to my MetaMask wallet, right? So it's just timed out. And it just wants my password. Yeah. No problem. Perfect. Now I'm going to connect via my wallet. There we go. Now I'm going to go to the DEX and we'll do it now properly. So I'm going to do like a cappuccino a day. And then I'm going to go wrapped. You do a pair, a wrapped USDT. There we go. Just give it a couple of seconds. It's just thinking about my liquidity because I'm sure I've got enough liquidity. Yes, I do. Swap and confirm swap. And I'm going to add this to the liquidity pool. And you see how powerful this is. You do this every single day, all right? And I'm getting that interest at the moment is sitting at 29%. This is epic. So let me just do that. And I'm going to, there we go. Watch a couple of seconds. You'll see that will be added. There we go. It's done. It's added to the liquidity pool. And I'm average dollar costing into this pool every day. Cappuccino a day. So that's one thing I wanted to show you, which is epic. Number two is we got something else, a product that I want to share with you. Now, how cool would it be if you got an AI trading bot, right, that buys low? So this little dip was amazing for our trading bot. And then what happens is it sells high. And then when it goes low, it buys. And then it sells high. And it keeps buying a pertum coins for you. Okay. How cool is that? So, I mean, look at the price, $1.56. Okay. Look at Bitcoin. It's $105,000 for one coin now, no, 110,000. This project's 9 months old. What's going to happen when the masses get to hear about it? Right? Where's the price going to be in 1 year? So you've got two awesome ways. You can put money into the liquidity pool, right? Where's the liquidity pool? Here we go. So you go tokens and you can share in that nice percentage and you can trade with it. You don't trade. Remember, the bot trades for you because 90% to 95% of all traders fail, right? So you got your money working in the liquidity pool. You got your money working with the AI trading bot, right? Absolutely amazing. So my recommendation for you is to go and have a look at the video, at the 7-minute video, and then go join the project. Set up your liquidity pool, put some money into there, start getting some interest, and then get one of these trading bots. Super, super easy. You just go store. We do have 7 to choose from. You can start at $50 and you can go all the way up to $50,000, depending on your capital. So I think I'm going to leave it there for today. I can pop my video back on and say thank you very much for episode 4 of Smart Money. And I'll see you tomorrow for episode 5. Have a wonderful day and see you soon. And bye-bye.